better document this little deal here. Now, before I start, there's been just an unbelievable amount of interest in the old Dodge Power Wagon that I bought. Put that video up on YouTube, and I can barely keep up with the people commenting and on the truck, wish me luck and everything. And so as well, a pile of people have subscribed to my channel just on account of that truck. Certainly not on account of me, but I want to thank all those people, all the people that have been along the whole time, but all the new people that are coming on board. I really appreciate it, and hopefully don't disappoint.
This is Grizzly Country Outdoors.
Now what this video here is about, as soon as I got the truck, I got in a bit of a problem because I don't have a proper car hauler. You can see behind me I'm pulling a 16-foot deck over trailer. So anyway, I didn't have a proper car hauler, so I had to be crawling around begging friends, to borrow their trailer and this and that. And that's no way to live your life. I don't like borrowing. And so for the last few days I've been searching, trying to find a car hauler. And what happened, I saw one finally in Edmonton that looked pretty good. 18 foot with two 7,000 pound axles, so a haul 14,000 pounds, which is exactly what I need for this truck. And so I phoned the guy up. Well, what do you think? The guy, he needs a 16-foot deck over. He says his trailer's too big for what he needs, and my trailer's too small for me. But they're perfect for each other. So over the phone, because I had looked at his trailer, he's never seen mine, so he had to take my word for it. But over the phone, we made a verbal agreement. I'm driving up to Edmonton. We're swapping trailers. So I'm gonna be rolling home, pulling the car hauler that I need, and he's going home with a 16-foot deck over that he needs. How about that? Which I guess that makes this episode number 2 on the W300 Dodge Power Wagon. Anyway, throw this. This will just be a shorty, but I'll throw this up on the channel. All right. And oh yeah, well, when I get the car hauler hooked up and ready to roll home, I'll shoot a video on it and show you what it's looking like. Alrighty? Okay. So here we are. This is the trailer swap. There goes the 16-foot deck over. Goodbye, old hunting trailer. Gonna miss you. And there's our first look at the new car hauler. I'll get a better video of it later when I get home. Well, there's the last look at the old deck over rolling away. There's gonna be days I'm gonna wish I still had that old trailer, but I know for sure right now I need that one that's sitting there behind me. So away we go. Head down, ass up, as they say. Oh yeah, there is a significant difference in the weight of the trailer I'm pulling compared to that one he just drove away with. Anyway, we're both happy with the deal, and that's all that matters. And as I say, when I get home, I'll get a little closer look at this. There is a couple of issues with this, I already know, but they're relatively minor, and this trailer certainly has the capability of hauling Dodge, which is what matters.
Oh, is it ever?
So hey, ladies, I'm going to shoot a quick video here of this trailer here. So you guys just hide over there and I'm talking to YouTube. I just got home with the Jewel. This is the 18-foot car hauler. Heavy duty ramps. Massive 18-foot deck. The tires are serviceable condition. We've got a broken light to fix. This light has popped out of the spot there. There's another broken light back here. or completely missing, how about? But get a little bit of a wrinkled fender, minor detail. There's the plank's right in the middle at the back. There's a couple broken, so Buddy put a patch on there. Anyway, now that I have this trailer, I feel like my Power Wagon project can actually begin. I didn't have any ability to move the thing without borrowing. I hate borrowing. It's a bad way to do business, right? So now I've got my own trailer, and I can take the truck wherever I need it, including bringing it from my friend's house here to my own garage to work on. So I think she's a pretty good day. Traded off the old Jewel, the old 16-foot deck over. I'm gonna miss that old trailer. That moved my hunting camp and my firewood for many a year. But I was done with it. It couldn't do what I need, and this trailer can, so that's what matters. Yep. Yeah, she's very definitely heavy duty axles, the leaf spring in there. That's beautiful.
Excellent. Jeff won at the final race.
Yeah, pretty hard to beat the deal that I got here, trading a 16-foot trailer for this 18-foot. I was pricing these things out all over Kijiji, all around Alberta. And the price I got this for, well, trading off the old trailer. Pretty hard to beat. A little bit of a twist in that. That doesn't matter. I'll have to get that straightened out though. All right. This is a silly place for a license plate too. It's not going to stay there. There's actually a light there intended for your license plate to hang. So maybe that's where I'll end up putting it. Pretty good deal, eh, ladies?
Good deal, Joe.
That's what I think too. All right, well, that's it for now, and over and out. Yeah. Oh yeah, and one other order of business that I forgot to mention. Besides, some minor repairs, that guy, I got to weld a bracket here so that I can run this 12,000 pound winch on this trailer for when I need to load my truck. The beauty of it is I'm going to make a mounting bracket in such a way I'll be able to slide it in out of a socket here on the trailer deck, but I'll also be able to run it in the receiver hitch of my truck if I need. And eventually it'll go on the deck of the Dodge 1-ton when I get around to that. Yeah, cool.